Here are 10 sounds Jamaicans use in conversation that will confuse the whole world but make perfect sense to us. 1. So make us a boom. This is not an explosion. This is storytelling activation mode. It means, let me tell you what happened next. The story officially starts right there. 2. Cha. That sharp teeth suck sound. It can mean disgust, annoyance, disappointment, and not even have words for this foolishness. One little sound, whole paragraph of emotion. 3. Eh eh. This one is warning tone, usually used when a child about to touch something, somebody crossing a boundary. You see foolishness about to happen. It means don't even try it. 4. Cha. Different from cha. Cha is more dismissive, like, please don't insult my intelligence. You don't even need a sentence after that. 5. Long and suspicious. Not hungry, not impressed. This is doubt, side eye, something right. The longer the the deeper the suspicion. 6. Hey, this one depends on tone. Can mean shock, pain, excitement. Yo, did you see that? It's very dramatic, very necessary. 7. Ps. Jamaican version of calling somebody without calling them name. Used across the road, across the yard, across generations. Sometimes followed by, yo. 8. Boy. Stretch it out real long. This one carries stress, amazement, warning. Life hard. The longer the boy, the heavier the situation. 9. You see it? This one is confirmation sound. It doesn't really mean did you see it. It means you get my point. You understand what me I say? You get my point. Exactly. Conversation glue right there. 10. E. Sharp inhale through teeth. This one dangerous. Used when something expensive drop. Somebody get embarrassed. A beating about to happen. It's the sound of sympathy and drama mixed together. Honestly, Jamaicans can have a full conversation without finishing one proper sentence. Yeah man, I